Hello, Motorsport Reg organizers. This is Tim from the Motorsport Reg Customer Success Team. We're back for another Form Builder video here to show you what some of the tools within Form Builder do. So we'll keep this one simple. First, we'll start over here in the parts bin. We have the green plus over here. So this will be where you create packages, anything that you either want to charge for or keep an inventory of. Next will be questions. You can create those over in the parts bin here, and then also a co-driver picker. And then next we have the little wrench in the parts bin. Here we can use it to clone any items. So say if we want to take this lunch option and make a second version of that, we can do it. Say if you're going to do one at a different price point, that's a good way to do it. Like say a late lunch, you can do that. And you can refresh. That will change this list just to reorder things if you need to. It groups all your questions together. All your products will be grouped together. And then finally, your co-driver picker options. And then also you can delete. So say if I decided I don't need more than one lunch option, I can just go ahead and delete that from here. Next, we'll slide over to the form layout. You see it also has the green plus and the little wrench as well. The green plus in the layout is what you use to create groups and branches. We did review that in the form layout video. A group simply gives you the option to pick one of the following. A branch will allow you to pick as many as you'd like underneath that little grouping. And then finally, a text block. Text block you can use to add anything from just some help text for the folks signing up for your event to adding visuals such as a photo, or maybe some other text or links to tech forums are pretty common for track days. So that's why you can add in the form layout here. Then also there's a wrench with a couple extra tools here. Here we can use that to clone. So say if I want to make a double of that annual membership, you do that in the layout. Say if you want it nested in a couple different places, but you're using the same exact piece. If you are doing different price points or anything like that, you will want to create those in the parts bin first for the different amounts. Then we can expand, and what that'll do, say if we click on the group here for entry, that will keep it large, but if we use collapse, that'll shrink it down. If you have a very large, very complex event, that'll be nice to kind of simplify it as you're putting things together. And we'll use that expand to see everything that's hiding under there again. Refresh will do exactly that. It'll give you what the current view of this is. Sometimes it can be a little bit glitchy when you first start nesting items under a group, but doing that refresh will give you the real view for what it looks like. So that way your preview is accurate over here. Then finally we have delete, exactly that. If we decided we don't need this membership option, we can use that just to delete. So a lot of these tools within the wrench here, you can actually just right click on those from like the form layout instead, or the parts bin. Since we're not using this lunch option anymore, we can just delete that. And as you see, a lot of these same options are right here. So we've made those a little bit faster function if you just right click on things, but they're all the same as what you see up here at the top. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Best way to do that would be our email address, which is support@motorsportreg.com. Thanks and have a great day.